Boys, help yourself. Look at all that rubber. Never been on a hard road. The only concrete it's ever been is maybe in that other shed. All right, there she is, boys. Now, boys, you don't have to move it out of here today. You don't have to drive it home, put her in the shed, and we'll give you Paul's number or Flo's number, and you call it before you come so the shed's unlocked. All right. Full tank of fuel. I've never been able to buy one like that. All right. Full tank of fuel. Mercy. All right, boy, we get on it. We'll give you 125,000. Give me 125. 125, all 125, 25, 125. We'll give 120. 120. Got 100. Thank you. 110. 100 to the bottom of the 5, 105 to the bottom of the 5, and now 10. At 110, 15, 115, now 20, 120 to the 15, 20 to the 120, 120, now 5, 125, 30, 130 to the 30, 130 to the 30, 130, 130 to the 30, 130 to the 30, 130, 125 to the 130, now 5, 130 to the bottom of the 5, 130 to the bottom of the 5, 5 to the 5, down to the 5, 135, now 40, 140 to the 40, 35, 40, 135 to the 4, to the 4, 40, now 5, 140 to the bottom of the 5, 140 to the bottom of the 5, 145, 140 to the bottom of the 5, bottom of the 5, 45, down to the 5, 5, 40, 142, 144, 144, 144, 144, 144. It's only money. 144, 144, 144, 145, 145, 144, 145, 144, number the 5, number the 5, 144 to 15, number the bottom of the 5, 144, number the bottom of the 5, on the 5 of the buyer, 144, now 5, 5, 5, number the 5, on the 5, 144 to 15, number the bottom of the 5, you're in, 144 to 15, 5, 5, now you're out, now 36, 36, now 47, 147, 147, 146, 147, 146 and 077. Boys, I'm going to remind you again about section 179. You can write off $139,000 off your income this year. Remember, when you get that government check, boys, for the insurance, you're going to have to pay tax on it. You can defray a lot of it right here. I've got 146, 147, 147, 147, 148, 148, 148, 149, 149, 149, 149, now 50, 150, 150, now 51, 151, 150, double to 1, double to 1, double to 1, 151, 150, double to 1, double to 1, double to 151, 150, double to 1, double to 1, double to 1, 150, double to 1, boys, all in and down, 150, double to 1, double to 1, double to 1 with a bar, 150, double to 1, double to 1, double to 1, double to 151, 150, double to 1.
I'm ready.
Yes, I would. Only because we need the money. Now 51, I'll do the same for you. 151, 151 and a half. There's a lot of places they would. 151, down to the bottom of the 5, down to the bottom of the 5, 151, down to the bottom of the 5, down to the 5, to the bottom of the 5, 151, 151, 5, 151, 5, 151, 5, and I thank you both. I sold it 151.
Oh, yeah.
120 down to the 2.5, 122.5, 122.5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 122.5, 120 down to the 2.5, now 5, 125, 125, man south, 125 to the bottom of the 5, to the bottom of the 5, 125, 1.5, now 5, down to the 5, down to the 5, down to the 5. Would you give 123? 123, 123. I got 2.5 here, now 3, now 4. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the bill. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 5. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, boys. 124, 4, 4, 4, 4, 124. 123, now 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, boys. 123, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 4, out of the 5. 123, now 4, out of the 4, out of the 4. 123,000 is the money bid. I want 124. 124. 124. Would anybody get 3.5? 123.5. 123.555. 123.5. 123 to the 5 to the 5 to the 5. It's here and it's ready to go. 123.5. The weights are on it. The duels are on it. Now forward. Now forward. Now you're out. Now forward. Now forward. 24. 124. 124. I got 3.5 here in the 1-4. 124. 124. 124. 124. 124. 124. 124. Well, thank you, tell him I appreciate his bidding. 124. 123.5. 124. 124. 123.5 and out 4. Is he sure?
Are you sure?
If he makes up his mind after you hang up, it's going to be too late. Thank you both. And I've sold it. Okay. Is that a worker? Bobby Crew? All right, boys. All right, boys. Get on it, boys. I'm having down the bill. They bought this new also. There's the book.
With the loader, but without the...
All right. Okay, boys. Hey, I climbed inside of that cab yesterday. I never saw a tractor that age yet have a cab that clean. And they didn't have it redone. There's never put a new cab kit in it. Boys, that's original. That thing has had a good home. Boys, look at the rubber on it. That's going with it. All right, boys, get on it. $90 bill. What do we get for it, boys? The loader does not sell with the tractor. We're going to sell the tractor separate. Boys, get right to it. Give me $30,000 for it. Oh, third, third, 30. I got 20. Now 5, 21, 2. 21, 2. Now 3. Now 4. Now 5. 25, 26. Now 7. Now 8. 28. Now 9. Now 9. Now 30. 30. Oh, third, 30. 29. 30. 30. Roger. Third, 30. 30. 30. 30. 1. Now 2. 31. You want number 2. 2. 2. 31. 2. 3. 3. 4. 33. 4. 34. 33, 4, 3.5, 4, 33.5, 4.5, 34.5 for the mom of the 4.5, the 4.5. What would it take in dollars to buy one to replace it? 34.5 to 34.5, 34.5, boy. 34.5 for the mom of the 4.5, for the mom of the 34.5. 34 for the 4.5, the mom of the 4.5, for the mom of the 34.5. 34.5 for the mom of the 4.5, for the mom of the 34.5. Yes or no? 34.5. 34 is a money bid, boys. I want 34,500. 34, 5, 34 to the bottom of the 34.5. 34.5 for the bottom of you boys. You're all out. I hold the bid back here. 34.5 for the bottom of the 4.5. 4 to the 4.5 for the buyer. 34 to the half for the bottom of the 4.5. To the 4.5. Yes or no? 34.5. 34.5. 34.5. Man's been on it from the start. I'm going to sell it to him at 34,000. Number 98's the buyer right there. Number 98. Thank you. All right. Here. 120. Who give 115? 115. Who give 100? I get 75, 80. 75, 80, 80, now 75 and 8 with the buy. 75 now, 80 now, 5 to the 5, 80 to the 5 to the 5. 8 to the 5 now, 85 now, 90 down to the 90, 85 down to the 90, give me 94 now, 90. 85 down to the 90, give me 90 now, 5 down to the 5 now, 100. 95 and 100 down to the 1, give 100. 97 now, 100, 97 now, 100. In the back row, now 2 now, 1 5. 1 5, way back, 1 2 now, 5 now, 7 way back, now 10. 12, 5, 5, 5, 1 15, now 17 and a half, 117 and a half, 117, now 2, give me 2, 120, now 20, now 2 and a half, 122 and a half, now 5, close back over, 125 with the bottom, now 7 and a half, 127 and a half, 5, 7 and a half for the buyer, 125, 7 and a half, number 7 and a half for the buyer, 125, now 7, number 5, 7 and a half, number 7 and a half for the buyer, now 130, now 130, 130, 130, number 30, now 2 and a half, 132, 5, 132, 5, 130, number 5, number 5, now 5, 132, 5, number 5, number 5, 135, now 750, 137, 5, 137, 5, 137, 5, you boys are all out back there, 137, 5, 137, 5, 137, 5, 135 and a half, 7, 5, 136, 136, 136, 136, 136, are we on you, Todd? 136, how about that man in the blue there? 136, this man came all the way from Kansas, you're going to have to go home without that. Hope you're going to car or pickup. 136, 136, 136, 136, 136, I've got 135, 136, 136, 126. And I have sold 135. And that stays in the